scared.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is part 2. Now it's her turn. And you see all this candy? That's pieces that are left. I have to feed all of this except that one. And that one. Okay.
I take it you just showed them all the Joy Browns. I think.
Oh.
Oh. I figured you were going to feed it to me because you wanted them. I'm scared.
Okay.
Ew.
Yeah.
That tastes like dark chocolate, so I think it's Mounds.
Okay. Yeah. You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Whopper.
Balls in your mouth, balls in your mouth. Go swim in the ocean, you'll get balls in your mouth. Okay, we would.
Ew.
Yeah, let's see.
I
Ew,
hate
this
Whoppers.
This one's melting. Ew.
Hershey's peanut butter cup.
Okay.
What? Yep. Okay, I'm good. Ah.
I like touching your teeth.
That's a crunch bar.
Crunchy-rific.
It's stuck to my tooth. Okay, we're good.
Alright.
Ah.
Ah!
That's a Kit Kat.
I got a kitty cat in my mouth.
Pussy in your mouth.
Pussy in my mouth.
I love Kit Kats. I know that one. Ah.
Hold on.
I'm scared.
Oh, open it up.
Butterfinger.
Oh boy. Let's see.
I hate how some of these are more chewy or more hard to chew than others.
Yeah.
It's stuck to my tooth.
You got a finger stuck to your tooth.
After the pussy's been in my mouth.
Yep.
Next one. Ah. There's almond joy. And I just took the almond out of my mouth.
That's not good. Let's
I
see.
can't stand nuts. except for peanuts. and
You just had a
cashews.
nut in your mouth.
Balls in your mouth.
Balls in your mouth. Go swim in the ocean, you'll get balls in your mouth. Okay. See how.
Whoever invented coconut to eat, I want to kill them. Ew.
I love coconut.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
It tastes like coconut right now because it's a coconut. Snickers.
Okay.
It's still stuck in my mouth. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah.
You like that? You like that?
That felt weird.
Did that just to creep you out?
A little bit, yeah. Three Musketeers.
Um,
Okay, are you ready?
let's see.
Itchy, itchy, itchy.
At least I don't have cat whiskers and I can actually itch my nose. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah. Milky Way.
How many candy bars do we have out here?
I think like 13 or 14.
Yeah, that would be about right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah.
Sexy noise.
That one tasted like a Snickers. I think the other one was a Baby Ruth. Yeah. It is. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Ah.
Gotta stick that bar in your mouth.
That's
Like-
a Hershey bar.
Okay.
For some reason you said bar in your mouth. I just want to sing bars in your
Mouth, bars in your mouth. You go over to Liz's house, you'll get bars in your mouth.
It's better than getting balls in your mouth if you go to my house.
Except you did once.
Once.
You had a
One time.
peanut